Hi, I'm Len Ellington from Smith Partners Real Estate. Welcome to 12A Barker Avenue in Tittery Gully. What you see from the front of this amazing Metricon home is only a hint of what to expect when you walk through the front door. So please join me in a tour. The versatile floor plan of this amazing home is a great feature. You've got two rooms at the front which could be used as home offices. Great outdoor entertaining with your alfresco, beautiful kitchen, porcelain tiles all the way through. So for more information, just give me a call or have a look online for up and coming inspection times.